All welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do pizza tacos. I have already here all-purpose flour, dry yeast, salt, bread improver, and one egg, 50-gram butter, and 50-gram olive oil. If you don't have bread improver, no problem. You can use yeast, fresh yeast or dry yeast, no problem. So now I'm going to mix. Make sure you should use cold water for mixing. Now we're going to start mixing, so I'm going to use hook. I'll show you how to fix the machine now. Yalla. Make sure you should check the speed, so put the slow speed, start timer, start mixing. So slowly I will pull up the machine. Keep on this side, mixer. So slow speed we will mix 3 minutes, then second speed we will mix 7 minutes. First 3 minutes slow speed and second speed we will do 7 minutes. So don't forget this. Now I'm going to turn second speed. Mix 7 minutes until your dough get a nice elastic. Mix. Okay guys, let's check the dough. Already finished time. Okay, let me show you the dough, how much mixing, how looks the dough. Wow, look at this. It's like nice elastic. You can see the dough. It's not stretchy. It's ready now. So I'm gonna remove the dough now. Okay guys, now I'm going to put in the freezer my dough for rest. After that, I'm going to use the dough sheeter. I will sheet the dough. So before that, I will put freezer sometime so I can play with the dough very nicely. So I need to cool down a little bit. It's the -40. Freezer now. Okay guys, you can see my dough is already chilled now. Now very easy to handle. Now I'm going to shape and I will cut from this ring. Let's do it. When you see the dough guys, so please don't forget to rest the dough. This is the reason I did the chill. This dough is very soft, but when the chill, very easy to handle. guys, I did until number 4.2.4. So already finished my shit in the dough. I need to rest a little bit. I'm gonna use the Corolla. So when I use this, you will not get air bubbles. So careful when you use this because the dough was very soft. Okay, guys, now I'm going to cut. Use the ring. So this is the size of my pizza tacos. It is. Okay, I will use my same baking tray. That's the flour. One here. Another one. Make one more. Okay, let's go. Bye bye.
Mozzarella.